Pollinators are facing severe threats with consequences on biodiversity and ecosystem functioning.
80% of insect biomass, including pollinators, has been lost in Europe over the past few decades. This decline has been associated with human impacts on the environment and has resulted in habitat loss and degradation.
Due to the lack of resources within these landscapes, our bees are starving. Every winter, beekeepers are losing many of their colonies due to resource limitations within the landscape. Simultaneously, a lot of wild bees are also facing severe declines.
The lack of food may also lead to competition between wild and domesticated bees, leading to further pollinator declines. If we do nothing, we will lose our pollinators and all of the services that they provide.
We can and we must help our bees, both for them, for ourselves, and for our children.
A part of the puzzle is building a map of breeding sites and resource availability. But this is a daunting task. There is too much data to process, and the parameters are too complex.
That's why we're going to do something about this with the Buzzwatch app. We're going to teach our computers how to interpret the complex world of supply and demand for bee resources using artificial intelligence.
With the Buzzwatch app, beekeepers can determine where and how many beehives to place locally, thereby minimizing harm to local bees by reducing competition. But Buzzwatch goes much further. With Buzzwatch, green services of cities and municipalities can evaluate whether their efforts to provide flower fields are proving beneficial. By identifying local areas that lack flowers, we will be able to plant them more effectively to provide resources to both domesticated and wild bees.
Nature lovers can then also investigate and help local pollinators to identify what specific fan species they rely on.
With all this information, landowners, landscape managers, and governments can adjust their policies to favor pollinators.
Buzzwatch is a citizen science project with high complexity that would help us to identify and overcome a lot of these challenges.
Our bees and insects in general have the resilience to persist through many difficulties. But now they are in danger of disappearing, and the time to help them is now. The Buzzwatch team has the ambition to build a better future for our bees. The bigger the team and the more data and ideas that we bring together, the better the product will be for the end user.
So join our efforts, and together we can save our bees.